Me never kiss yet. Someone say me never kiss yet to blood clot. Bumbo clot. Bro, alright. May I put me as an example, cause I'm not afraid. Me not afraid. Cause no man me a fuck. Alright. Me in the house I make love to my woman. Me a kiss my woman. Me a name off her breast them. Me a finger her front and them thing there. Clothes come off, finger her front and name off her breast same time, and name off her neck and a kiss her. Me take my hand from the front now and nibble her breast them. I hold her up on her face so, and I kiss her so, and everything and I caress her so, and still I kiss up her face so me just hold her face with all my hands so, hold her throat so, and I still lick off her neck and them thing, them gone back on the breast them. Our personal woman literally we grows up with. I want to tell me say I lie me I tell now. Don't tell me say I lie me I tell. Our personal woman second hand grounds it doesn't matter. Grounds are grounds. Grounds is grounds. One of them wanna stop say second hand grounds. Grounds is grounds. When time me look at me and eat that brother. But that's indirect. So Shane. So basically you tell me say use an indirected grounds. Exactly. First, second, and third, bro. It's the same thing. So when you go see him, alright. Me personally, bro. Me nah. You see like how man would I see a fish and bust blank off of him and say fish way, bro. Me nah go see no fish and bust blank off for nobody, bro. Them not trouble me not trouble you. You walk over there so, I walk over here so. You see, cause enough man where you see them a trouble the fish them and then the fish them go start talk things about them. All when you is not a fish, from you go trouble a fish will tell lie on you. And people will believe, bro. A fish see me and don't trouble me and don't say nothing to me. Me not go see you and bust blank off and them thing there. Bro, me not have time for that. You see man will say fish and a bust blank off of them. Them man that ruffle with for them sexuality, bro. Them no confidence in themselves, bro. Cause the way you no confidence in yourself, as you see one fish so, you jumpy and start fire blank. That means you see one fish and one fish make you get jumpy if you fire blank off of him. Me nah rescue bowcat, me nah rescue fish. You don't see enough if you not understand. So me can say you is a fish. Some of them undercover. Me nah go say me I go see one fish and par with him and them thing then. No. But me nah go see a fish and go directly go trouble him and a bust blank off of him. Me nah go do that, bro. I regularly see my friend them do that and I say dog. And my friend them turn upon me and say, yo, you see a fish that? If you get gunshot. So I say, bro, but we are do our own thing. The man not trouble we. The man go about film business. Una make it look like say, as you see the man, una get jumpy. So typically una tell me say, me and una friend and una jumpy for fish. Cause we do over right so. And then una see fish over there so. And una so jumpy, una go start fire blank. They not trouble you. Them not see you and fuck around you. them not fuck around. So why me I go fuck around them and them not fuck around me? Why me I go see them and blah. When me I gain out of that? What me I gain out of doing that, bro? But people is so dunce. Them no. DJ I deal with. People is so dunce. Them no see say. Them no look on life two way. Them only look on life one way. Them only look on life say them a fire blank off of the fish. But them no pray the next way and say blood clot. As me see that fish, I start jump up and start fire blank. Them nah pre say yo. As them see the fish, them get giddy up and start fire shot. That means that one fish make you get giddy up and start fire shot. You just a think about you just a fire blank off of one fish, but you not think about as you see one fish, you get jumpy and start fire blank. So typically the fish make you get jumpy and get excited to fire blank off of him. So you tell me say as you see one fish you get jumpy and start fire shot. That means that you insecure about yourself. One fish could all pass. And we have not even business, not even know if a fish are a straight man. Cause me no business about that. Me I watch my own business. That's why me love white people. Me love white people, bro. White God got me, what's up baby? White people watch their own business, bro. White people focus on for them business. You could have the writer so, and white people the writer so, and you the writer say fuck, and white people do for them own thing. What I did Forrester? You see free? But ain't done enough, bro. And they only look on life one way, and them things say I just one way. When you look on life the other way, and know say yo, there is two sides to a story, there is two sides to things. You can say something, I'm understand what you say, but why when me say something, you don't understand what me say? Exactly. I understand you, but why you can't understand me? Alright, you tell me say you bust blank off of one fish. And I say, alright, I understand why you bust blank off of one fish. Because I'm a one fish. But as you see the fish you get jumpy and start fire shot, why? You insecure? Why? Oh, man a fish. That's the first thing the man jump up and say. I never ask you if you're a fish, I just say see the fish and you jump up and start about shot. You're excited, that's excited. Because you jump up so, hey, blah. You're literally excited, bro. That's excited. That
I want to talk about make your life full, so.
No, my life been full.
No.
Uni. My life been
No.
To all them man in Jamaica full, they not even sleep with them own a son, and I saw them grow too.
Me to the country.
Exactly, brother.
I wanna move this morning.
Alright, come take you wanna move. I'm there, chat. Me nah smoke. Chat, we are play wanna move. Don't see why.
9 nuggets, my team. 9 nuggets. 9
Exactly.
nuggets.
Chat, 9 nuggets. We can't take the 9 nuggets and cut. Chat.
Yo.
Ignorance that. Exactly, Jamaican countryman. Them ignorance and them excited at once.
Guys, tap the screen. Please, me ask. I don't want to know where them talk about. I'm not interested. If I no money talk, blackout a call, come me team.
Come in chat. We could take the 9 nuggets and cut left a little girl.
Come
chat.
me team.
We could take the 9 nuggets and lift up left a little girl. Please, me I beg you.
We are big and all. Yes, me?
9 nuggets.
All.
Who all?
I'm at 28.
Who are 28?
Somebody say I'm 28.
I'm 28. I'm not even reach 25. Chat, tap up the screen, I could take the 9 nuggets and leave.
Come me team. Then I saw life hard. Come me team. Let's go.
Tap up the screen. And I could take the nuggets and leave. Please.
Yeah, my life rough, man. Yeah, my rough.
Come on, chat. Pour up, chat. Chat, when you send some rules and we could activate the speed. Jesus Christ.
Guys, send a rule. Me have 43. Look, yo.
Chat, nobody can say me. Chat,
Come
you
me
can't
team,
say some
let's
rules to
go.
activate that speed.
Come me team, let's go.
Chat, nobody know the rules so we can activate that speed.
Italian people, we is fully, man. Give you taps. And them a hold up long chatting. They say me hate them type of people. They love the long chatting and they not happy seeing when they come out to test. Me not like you. Me not like you. Nothing.
Chat, they go to 4 rows. Jesus
Queen,
Christ, 4 you can't say no
if
4
I dep
rows.
on the black, move that. Come don't know what you tell me about Italian for. Move him,
3 more
Queen.
person, 3 more person. Thank you,
Love
Shan.
with
3 more
yo,
person
come
with that
out
road.
of my chat now, man.
2 more person, 1 more person.
One more.
1 more person, 1 more person. Chat, 1 more
Me not
person.
bright with the film.
1 more
Stop it,
different person with that
man.
road. Ah, lady said
Thank
thank you,
you.
Cola, thank you. Yam from Chan, thank you, Shan, thank you. Chat, chat, 9 nuggets,
Yeah,
DJ, thank you.
triple.
Chat, triple chat, and 9 nuggets, chat. Chat, use the triple chat. 9 nuggets. Chat, 9 nuggets. They have smoke, chat. Thank you, Steph. Thank you, DJ. Use the triple chat, they have smoke. Use the triple, them have smoke. Chan,
Flash
thank
it,
you. Use the triple, them have smoke.
Guys,
Chat, use the triple, them have smoke. Shoot on the triple in the chat. I want she a play alone. Chat, I want alone she a play.
No
More than
rose.
thank you. Chat, I want.
Shit.
Use the triple.
No
Thank you. Again, again,
point.
again, again. Again, chat. Again. DJ, thank you. 9 nuggets she have and I want she a play. 9 nuggets she have and I want she a play. Again. Chat. Use the triple again, chat. Triple again, chat.
Guys,
Use the
it's
triple
such
again, chat.
no.
Chat, a 1 game she a play. Use the triple again. Chat, use the triple again and 1 game she a play. Use the triple again and 1 game she a play. Thank you, the chat. Jesus. Chat. Chat, she have 9 nuggets and a 1 game alone she a play. Chat, she
Guys, I
have
know
9
some more.
nuggets
I
and a...
said them people we say some of you have the gloves and you don't know of it.
She have 9 nuggets and she only play 1 game. Thank you, no chat. She only play 1 game. Crazy, 1 voice, whatever, chat. Nobody have no gloves. Who have gloves? Who have gloves? Chat, who they have gloves, chat? Nobody there have no gloves. Bad crazy. Chat, she have 9 nuggets and a 1 game she have play. She only playing this game alone. She not go play no more. So me could take the nuggets them, chat. 9 nuggets. After she cuss the people them, she start big now. Something wrong with her, you know. Come in, chat. Them a go snipe at the end, chat. We have to work together and snipe. Chat, we have to work together and snipe, chat, because them a go snipe. Them now go make the 9 nuggets just go away, so chat. We have to work together and snipe because them a go snipe. See them a creep up there for snipe. See them a creep up there for snipe. Them a go snipe, so we have to snipe to chat. Jesus Christ, me can't take it 9 nuggets. Chat, me a beg you now snipe again, snipe again because them a go snipe big. Snipe again because them a go snipe big. Chat, snipe again. Fuck are you? Move, move and go.